Hello, let's look at how to enter the questionnaire data we collected through the field survey in one-click survey. Entering the data we obtained from field surveys is normally a time-consuming process. One-click survey allows us to shorten this process by creating a specifically adapted online survey in which we enter the data of the surveys completed by respondents during the field offline surveying. First, we create a survey and insert all the questions from the paper questionnaire. We need to make sure that the correct types of questions are chosen and that the sequence of questions and categories is the same as in the paper questionnaire. Then we enable the option of questionnaire entering in the Edit, Settings, Respondent Access tab. Under Recognize Registered User 1KA, we select the option Yes as data input. We can also enable the Mass Fast Survey Input option, which is recommended in the case of extensive and multiple questionnaires. We then save the changes. The function forms the questionnaire in such a way that whoever enters the data only enters the answer values in individual windows in combination with the tab key. In this way, the process of entering completed surveys can be considerably shortened. Let's get back to editing the survey. Each question category, response, has its own value by default. We can edit them ourselves in the question editor by checking Edit Values. Fields with numbers appear for each category, meaning if the respondent selected male in the paper questionnaire, the answer will have a value of 1. When entering the answers, whoever enters the data will enter the value 1 for this question. Let's see how this function looks. Only the input field can be seen under the question text. To enter the answer male, we must enter the number 1. For entering the second question, we can press the Tab key and continue entering. Entering questionnaires in one-click survey has several advantages. It allows better control over the person who enters data entry is less time-consuming, and we can access statistical analysis of data and their graphical display in the Analyze tab simultaneously. The data is ready for export in various formats, and we can also export reports on statistical analyses and graphical representations of individual variables. This was a display of entering completed questionnaires obtained from field surveying.